In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable tab feature in Webstudio. Tabs are a great way to organize content so visitors can quickly switch between sections without leaving the page. By the end, you'll have a clean interactive tab interface ready to use in any project. First, head to your Webstudio dashboard and make sure you're logged in. If you've been working on something recently, you can open that file right away. If you'd like to start fresh, choose New Blank Project and give it a clear, memorable name. Good naming helps you keep things organized as your workspace grows. Once you're inside the editor, look for the plus button. This is where you can add new components to your page. Click it, then search for tabs. You should see a tabs component you can use. Drag it directly onto your canvas. Try dropping it into a section or container where it makes sense in your layout, like below a headline or within a feature area. With a tabs component on the canvas, you're ready to design. Start by editing the tab labels so they clearly describe the content behind them. Keep labels short and specific. Think overview, features, pricing, or FAQ. Clear naming helps visitors understand what they'll get when they click. Next, customize the content panels that appear under each tab. This is where you can add text, images, lists, or any other components that support your message. Keep the length of each panel balanced so switching between tabs feels smooth and consistent. Now style the tabs to match your brand. Adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment. Pay attention to the active tab state. Make sure the selected tab looks distinct with a bolder color, underline, or background so users always know where they are. You can also fine-tune hover and focus states for a more polished interaction. If you need more tabs, duplicate an existing tab and update its label and content. To reorder, simply drag tabs into the sequence you prefer. Rename layers in the sidebar to keep everything tidy, which makes later edits much easier. As you design, click between the tabs right in the editor to confirm they switch as expected. Check that content doesn't jump around too much when switching, and that spacing stays consistent. Finally, take a quick pass at responsiveness. Reduce your canvas width and ensure the tabs remain readable on smaller screens. If your design calls for it, stack labels or increase spacing so tabs are comfortable on mobile. And that's it. You've created a clean, clickable tab feature in Webstudio ready to organize content and improve navigation in your project.